Katie's Studio, where I teach you how to create custom projects for your home. Today we will be taking a JPEG stencil image that we created and putting it onto our Cricut software. I'm starting a new document on Cricut Design Studio. I can do that by clicking this upper left-hand corner. I've already done that. So then I'm going to click on this bottom left-hand side where it says Upload. Then I'm going to click on Upload Image under this image sign here on the left-hand side. And then I need to drag. You can drag and drop your files, or you can browse. You will have to know where your JPEG file is saved for this part. If you downloaded the JPEG from my store, then it'll most likely be here in the Downloads file of your computer. The next thing I'm going to do is select the document that I would want in JPEG format. You can see if you made it with me on one of my previous videos, you will have a Photoshop file as well. You want to select the JPEG file. Cricut will not accept the PSD file format. So I'm going to click on Summer Stencil Bottom, and then I can either double click on that or press open right here. And there's my file. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Simple and then Continue. I find that the moderately complex and complex is more than we need when it's just a black and white stencil image. Then up here you will click on Select and Erase, this little wand tool. And then it should just take one click in the white area. And that will get your whole stencil outlined. I can zoom out to view it a little bit better, but that is my whole outline. It just took one click because it is a stencil image, so everything I already connected. Then I'm going to click on Continue. Then I will click on Cut Image, because I only want this image to be cut. You can change the name of the image if you want, but I'm going to leave it as Summer Stencil Bottom, and Upload. Then I will click on the image that's uploaded. It's the most recent one, so it'll be here on the bottom left-hand side, and Insert Images. Now the image is in the Cricut software, but it uploads too big. So I'm going to make sure I'm highlighted on the image by just clicking on it, which it probably is already. And I need to change the size. So the size options are right up here on the top, right under the document name, which right now is untitled. If this is not here, there will be a More button that you can click on. So I'll click on this size, and this should be locked. Right here should be locked. And for width, I'm going to go 11.5, enter, and then the height automatically goes to 23.5. And this is the size we made the stencil, and it's also the maximum size allowed by Cricut. And then all I have to do is make it. I am going to save this as well, which I recommend doing. So I'm going to save this as Summer Stencil Bottom. Of course, your name can be whatever you would like. And then I'm going to click on Save. And I can apply that. And that is it. Now I'm ready to press Make It and cut it on my Cricut machine. Let me know if this was helpful to you, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Check out my store in the description below to get the JPEG images and completed projects. And remember to like and subscribe.